do some piqués and let's do piqués. Piqué, 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 piqué. And as the foot is out, just plié, passe. Let go of the bar. Yeah, that's all we'll do all the way around. So piqué, and our hips will be not moving. So piqué, piqué, piqué. Let's do plié, understanding leg, and this one is straight. And bring it up to passe. And a little balance. This is going to prepare us for pirouettes.
Right.
For turns.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And now back. Piqué, 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 piqué. Plié, reach out. I'll say close. And same thing again. Plié. And passe. Yes. It's okay, it's okay. Yes, good job. And back. Okay. Good placement, side. Yes, good job. Good job. Let's do some rond de jambe and rond de jambe on there. It's this where we go like this.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah? Okay, so we'll do a little bit of that. So we'll do on the floor rond de jambe and then on there. And we'll go 8 to heel is leading and the toes stay on the ground. 5, 7, 8, and then
Fifth position? From fifth position?
the brushing is from first to first.
First, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we'll do A to C's. And then we'll bring it to the side and on layer. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then same thing back. So we'll do circle, make a little circle 8 times, and then bring it around on the. And then we'll do a quarter bra all around. We'll go all around back. And then we'll do a balance in passe to releve passe balance. So now we'll start in our tendu front. Make a circle and front side back. And now to the side, brush out. 2. Yes. Yes. Very. The knee stays straight. Yes. Very good. Beautiful. Now let's do susu and balance and passe. Good job. Very good. Let's do left side. And bronze Jean. Beautiful. Bring to the front. And we'll do back side front. Let me see.
From the back like that, right?
Yes, yes. Back side front. Yes, yes, exactly. A quarter. Side and front. Plié, susu, and passe. Out.